If you're seeing Discord error 50013, don't worry. In most cases, this is a permissions issue, and it can usually be fixed pretty quickly. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common solutions step by step so you can get your bot, webhook, or integration working again. If this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides like this. Let's get into it. First, the most common cause of Discord error 50013 is the role hierarchy. Discord is very strict about role order, and if your bot's role is below the role it's trying to manage, it simply won't have permission to do it. To fix this, open your Discord server and go into server settings. Then click roles. Here, look for the bot's primary role and drag it higher in the list. In most cases, you want it near the top, above the roles it needs to interact with. Once you've moved it, click Save Changes if needed, and then test the action again. A lot of 50013 errors disappear right here, just from correcting the hierarchy. If the problem is still there, the next thing to check is channel level overrides. Sometimes a bot has the right server permissions, but the channel itself is blocking access. To check this, right-click the channel where the error is happening and choose Edit Channel. Then go to the Permissions tab, look for the bot's name or the bot's role in the list. Make sure important permissions are enabled with green check marks, like View Channel, Send Messages, Embed Links, or Attach Files, depending on what the bot is trying to do. If any of these are denied at the channel level, Discord can throw error 50013, even if everything looks fine elsewhere. So be sure to review those overrides carefully. Now let's move on to OAuth 2 scopes and bot permissions. If you're using an integration or a custom bot, this is another very important step. For webhooks or integrations, make sure the bot or app has the right access, such as Manage Webhooks, if that feature is required. If you created the bot yourself, log in to the Discord developer portal. From there, go to OAuth 2, then open the URL generator. Make sure you check both bot and applications.com mans. After that, choose the correct permissions for your bot, such as manage roles, send messages, or any other permissions it needs for the task it's performing. Once the permissions are set, use the generated invite link to kick the bot from the server if needed, and then re-invite it using the updated link. This refreshes the permissions and scope settings, which often clears up the 50013 error. If you've gone through all three steps and the error still appears, double check that the bot is actually assigned the correct role in your server and that no other role is overriding its access. Also, remember that Discord permissions work in layers, so a denied permission anywhere in the chain can stop the bot from acting. That's why the role hierarchy, channel overrides, and OAuth 2 setup all matter. So to recap, fix the role hierarchy first, then check the channel permissions, and finally verify the OAuth 2 scopes and permission settings. In most cases, one of those three steps will solve Discord error 50013. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech fixes, Discord tutorials, and step-by-step troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.